Hello everyone, I'm Sonia,
I'm Crystal.
and this is Cooking with Commods.
Cooking with Commods. Cooking with Commods. Cooking with Commods.
Now, most of you remember my twin sister Tanya. Unfortunately, she passed away last year. We miss her a lot, but I was thrilled because Crystal very bravely opted to help us get this going again. Whole nother generation. Okay, today we are doing Asian coleslaw.
Sounds good.
I thought it did, especially since right now we have got some hot weather going on.
A lot.
And it just keeps going. So we usually start out with the ingredients. We have 4 cups of shredded cabbage or a 16-ounce bag of coleslaw mix.
1/3 cups of mandarin oranges. If they are canned, you want to make sure they're drained. And we also have peanuts. The peanuts are optional. If you want that little added crunch, you can put the peanuts in.
We'll give you the dressing ingredients in a minute. We'll just go ahead and start with the coleslaw. So I'll hold the bowl and you can
Okay.
just dump it in.
Make sure it gets all in there. Oh,
And this is something you can pretty much get anywhere. Any grocery store has coleslaw mix. It's already got everything in there and it's got some pretty colors
yes,
too.
yeah.
Okay, and then we have the 1 1/3 cups of mandarin oranges, like Crystal said, drained.
Yes.
We'll dump those in. I love that color. Optional, we have some peanuts, and you can do as little or as a lot. That's not grammatically correct. As little or as much as you want. That sounds better.
We'll sprinkle some in there.
Some added protein,
Yes, definitely.
and then I'll let you go ahead and stir.
Okay.
Then next, for the dressing, this is just such a nice, simple dressing. We have 2/3 a cup of light Italian dressing. And then you add 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Go ahead and dump it in and whisk. Crystal's got that good stirred up. You can use as little or as much as you want. I'm one of those people, I like a lot of dressing.
Me too.
On my coleslaw. On my salads, on everything.
All right.
Okay. And you give it a good toss. Get it all mixed in there. I like coleslaw with chicken. I don't know why, it just seems to
Barbecue
go.
chicken?
Yes.
Yes.
And it just goes together.
I like to have a fresh, cold side salad.
As soon as the weather starts getting warm, a nice salad is perfect. I think that's pretty well
It
stirred
looks
up.
beautiful.
I'll hand you your fork
Okay.
so I don't dump it on there. There's one for you.
Alrighty.
All right. Shall we give it a go?
Yeah. Make sure I get a little bit of everything in there.
Yes. Wow. That's delicious.
It's just the right amount of soy sauce and Italian dressing.
And it's funny, but something about the combination of those two, it just really works good
Yeah,
together.
yeah. It's got that little tang, but also it's refreshing at the same time.
And you know what? You could even add some canned chicken, and then that would make a good lunch.
Yeah.
Just all by itself.
Yeah.
We're always saying, experiment. If there's
Yes,
something in there
yes.
you don't like, take it out and put in what you do like. Pears. Pears might be really good
Ooh,
in
that
here.
would get that good crunch and that little bit of refreshing fruit.
Yeah, exactly. Nice, simple recipe. Something good for hot weather. And like I said, you can just do pretty much whatever you want to it, and then it can even become your meal.
It was super good.
So we'll go through the ingredients again. 4 cups of shredded cabbage or a 16-ounce bag of coleslaw mix.
1/3 cup of mandarin oranges. You want to make sure you drain the juice from them, and also the peanuts, and those are of course optional.
And then for the dressing, we have 2/3 a cup of light Italian dressing and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, low sodium. Then you just give that a good whisk, mix them together real good, pour it on there, and you might even consider just, after you get it all good and stirred up, put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes.
I'll give it a good chill.
Yeah,
Yeah.
give it a nice chill, and then everything's really nice and crisp, and then voila.
You're good to go.
So that was our Asian coleslaw, something nice and simple, especially for hot weather.
Hot weather, definitely.
And again, Crystal, Sonia, and this has been Cooking with Commods. See you next time.
Bye-bye.